Hi everyone, it's Martin and welcome to this new video. Today, I'll show you how to use AI to create the pages of your online store. You can just describe what you want. For example, create the homepage of my online store selling sneakers, and the AI will create the entire page for you, including writing the text, generating the images, and optimizing perfectly for mobile. And you can create unlimited pages for free and for any niche. Whether you sell sneakers, clothes, cookies, or anything else, it's going to work. So by using this, you can build a unique and beautiful online store very easily. And the best part is that every page is built with our drag and drop visual builder, so once the AI generates the page for you, it's super easy to customize it to your liking, the same way you would customize any page on Dr.Tech. Welcome to the Dr.Tech channel, where I show you how to build your online store using our platform, Dr.Tech. We talk about design, e-commerce features, and our very cool AI tools. Basically, we give you every feature for free on Dr.Tech, and we show you how to use them here on this channel. So if you want to build a great online store, don't forget to subscribe. And if you don't have a Dr.Tech account yet, you can sign up for a free trial on our website, hellodr.tech/en. Now, let's go. I will leave you with Max, our AI YouTuber, who is an expert in Dr.Tech, and he will show you how to use AI to create the pages of your store. Let's go.
Hi guys, happy to see you for this tutorial. Now I'm on my dashboard, and for this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create my store's homepage. You can do the same to generate any page and as many pages as you like. So I'm going to go to My Store and then Pages, and I'm going to click on my homepage. Then click on Edit with Divi Builder. You click on the three dots at the bottom of the screen and then on More. You will then have three options, and for this tutorial, we'll choose the third option, Build with AI, and you click on it. You'll have to describe the page you want to generate, trying to give as much context as possible. For our example, we'll say, create a homepage for an online houseplant store, featuring products, services, testimonials, and a contact form in English. In the second text field, which is optional, you can describe your mission, or simply a short description of your website. For example, Greenspace is an online store selling houseplants with a gardening tips blog. Just after this, you can customize the typography and colors. This part is also optional, otherwise the default values will be applied. Once you've finished, click on Generate Layout and wait for the page to load. The page is ready in 2 clicks with the different sections: Introduction, Services, Testimonials, Contact. And you can change everything. Just select an element, for example this title, then click on Module Settings and you can change the title manually or generate it with AI. You can learn more about it in detail in another tutorial available on this YouTube channel. You'll find the link in the description. The same goes for images. If you want to change one of the images, for example this one, click on Module Settings. And there you can import a new image or generate one by clicking on the AI icon. The page has been created using Visual Builder elements, so you can modify it just like any other page. And without limits, I've made tutorials to explain how it works. You'll find the links in the description. Once you've finished everything, click on the 3 dots at the bottom of the screen and save, and you're done. You can generate any type of page you need, just follow these simple steps. Let's do another example for an About page. Click on Dashboard, My Store, Pages, and Add New. You write the name of the page here, for example. We'll create the About page and use Divi Builder. You'll then have the same 3 options we had just now, and of course we'll choose Build with AI. Then click on Generate Layout. In the first field, you'll be asked to describe the page. In our example, we're going to create an About page that presents the store, its values, the team members, and, of course, all the other information. The second field, you can modify the description or keep it, since it concerns the whole store. You can also change the page's colors and fonts. Otherwise, the default values, or the ones we saved earlier, will be automatically applied and you click Generate Layout. And that's it. Our second page is generated with the different sections you can modify, as we saw together, or proceed to publication by clicking on Publish.
Thanks much for the tutorial, and just one thing before I let you go, I want to tell you that currently the AI works best to generate static pages. This means that it's the most effective when the content on your page remains the same. For example, your homepage, about us, landing pages, or any other page where you provide some information, for example. But I don't recommend to use the AI yet for dynamic pages where the content is changing. For example, your product page or your product category page. The AI is not yet capable of properly building dynamic pages, and I made another video where I build with you a product page, and the way I show you in this video is actually a way better way to do it. If you don't have a .tech store yet, so we offer more than 3,000 modern e-commerce templates, hundreds of e-commerce features to optimize your store, and our very cool AI tools. Everything is free, included in just one subscription, and you can try our platform on our website with our free trial on hellodr.tech/en. Now to go further, you can watch this video that shows you how to use our feature to create text and images with AI. Again, it's included for free on .tech, so check this out, it's pretty cool. On this channel, we show you how to build a great online store, so if you enjoy this video, please like it and subscribe to see our future videos. And also feel free to leave a question or suggest a topic in the comment below. We're always happy to help. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.